On this episode, I share 5 tips for beginner day hikers. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I post state park videos all the time on the channel. Consider subscribing if you want to learn more about Texas state parks. Now, let's jump into the video. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Make sure you guys plan your visit. Call or look online and find out what trails you want to do. Are you doing a day pass? Are you hiking? Are you camping? It's good to plan ahead and know what you need. State park maps, they do a good job in telling you how challenging each trail is, and it's pretty accurate. So definitely plan ahead before you visit each park. Tip number 2, let your party know where you're going, your friends and your family. When you come out on the trails, there is no cell phone reception from our experience. If you're lucky, you have maybe 1 bar. So when you hit the trails, you're out here, enjoy the fresh air, enjoy the hikes, whatever you're coming out here for. But definitely let somebody know where you are, just in case they need to find you. All right, tip number 3, check the weather. I know sometimes when we go on these hikes, you're planning for the best. Out here in Texas, it could be cool in the morning time, and it's gonna heat up in the afternoon. So you wanna make sure you have the right clothing for the weather. So you wanna check the weather before you go on these hikes. That's gonna lead us to tip number 4, clothing. You wanna wear sunscreen, a hat, long sleeves to protect you from the sun. It's breathable so you don't get too hot. Make sure you have enough clothing for the hike. If it's hot outside, you might want to wear some shorts, but you want to protect yourself from the elements at all times. All right, tip number 5, make sure you guys hydrate. So make sure you have enough water on these hikes. You don't want to be stuck out here with no cell phone reception, dying of thirst, dehydrated. And make sure you bring a snack with you, because you're going to definitely be hungry. But that's all the tips that I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. If there's anything that I missed, please let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Till next time. If you found these tips useful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to check out Texas state parks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.